Imagine the stunning symphony of flavors that is a succulent chicken breast, basted in a rich honey mustard glaze, then roasted to perfection. The dish is a sophisticated blend of sweet and tangy, with the honey's natural sweetness beautifully complementing the mustard's zesty punch. The chicken, tender and juicy, soaks up the flavors, making each bite a delightful experience. Begin with 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Ensure they are fresh and of high quality, as the chicken is the star of this dish. Pat them dry with a paper towel, and then season generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Remember, seasoning is fundamental to enhancing the chicken's natural flavor. Onto the glaze. Combine a 1/4 cup of both honey and Dijon mustard in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of olive oil and a clove of minced garlic. Stir until the ingredients meld into a rich, smooth mixture. This glaze is the heart of the dish, infusing the chicken with its distinctive sweet and tangy flavor. Now, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add a drizzle of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the chicken breasts. Sear them until they are golden brown, about 5 minutes on each side. Searing locks in the juices, ensuring the chicken stays tender and moist. Once the chicken is beautifully seared, reduce the heat to low. Pour the honey mustard glaze over the chicken, making sure each piece is fully coated. Turn the chicken in the glaze a few times to ensure it's thoroughly covered. Then, cover the skillet and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. During this time, the chicken absorbs the glaze, soaking up its sweet and tangy flavors. The heat gently cooks the chicken, making it incredibly tender. The aroma of honey and mustard fills the kitchen, a tantalizing hint of the delicious meal to come. After 10 minutes, uncover the skillet. The chicken should be glossy and golden, the glaze reduced to a rich, sticky coating. Check the chicken's internal temperature. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit, the perfect temperature for juicy, safe-to-eat chicken. And there you have it, a dish that is as elegant as it is delicious. Honey mustard glazed chicken breast. It's simple yet sophisticated, perfect for a weeknight dinner or a special occasion. This dish not only offers a delightful blend of flavors, but also provides a good source of protein. The honey in the glaze lends a natural sweetness, while the mustard adds a tangy kick, making this dish a true symphony of flavors. Indeed, it's a meal that satisfies the palate and nourishes the body. So why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite chicken dish.